Gospel Life Family Church. Gospel Life Family Church.
Greetings. I hope I find you well from all walks of life. Wherever you are coming away, it's your man of God, Prophet Gift Jova from Gospel Life Family International Church. As per promise, we are continuing on the subject that we began last week, which is the subject of looking into cases that follow names and cases that follow places. So just to do a short recap of what we touched on our previous session, we spoke about the cases that follow names, and we spoke about that a name is a character, a name is a spiritual location. Being given a name, you being given a name, is the first gift that you're given as you were born. You were actually being given a spiritual rank, you were actually given a spiritual location, you were actually given an identity. And I will just add on there before we look onto the cases that follow places. You realize that with a name, it's an identity, and if it's an identity, you can't be carrying an identity of failure and you go on and have success. And you cannot carry the identity of success and then we have failures coming your way. Yes, you may fail still carrying the right identity if you don't work well, but we are saying of all the efforts that you have tried to put in place when you were looking forward to succeed in this life, having all demons